Yo, so I've drilled out the corners again because I'm putting a hob in. I'm now just going to jigsaw it out the two sides and then I'll put a brace across the middle. I'll do that and then I'll come back. So I've cut two sides, I've cut that side. Now I'm going to put a brace across the middle, I'm going to fix that down and then I can cut the top and the bottom, and that when it releases it won't split the top of the worktop. I'll cut that and I'll come back. So this is it cut out, and all you do then is lift it out the middle and it should leave you with the right size. Click and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.